Say we on? Okay. I ain't wait this house since I was 18. Anything I don't need. What's up with your ass? Get out of this. What's up with this room? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing great this evening out there. It's all good. Today we're doing something we hadn't done before. Previously, we're doing tax trivia. Tax trivia Tuesdays. And this is something we're gonna do every Tuesday. So we're gonna wait on a couple people to get on in the room and get ready to get this thing started. We'll probably do something like probably 15, 20 minutes every Tuesday or more, just tax talk trivia, just to get everyone that wants to get acquainted with the industry, bring some fun in the industry, and show some highlights of just different things that's going on in the industry. So it's going to be exciting, very exciting. So we're going to get started in just a second. We got some crazy questions. We're going to add a little bit of fun with it, all sorts of stuff. So while we're waiting, I'd like to just give a shout out to the MTPA group, Minority Tax Professionals Association. We had the conference last week. It was awesome. We had a blast, and I won an award there. It was cool. So we'll be encouraging more individuals to join our groups, join our teams, and check out more of our events. So I'm just so excited about the 2023 season. We got so much going on this upcoming season. It's like I can't wait to unfold it and show everybody. It's gonna be very, very, very exciting. So um just thankful and blessed. Hey, the season is right around the corner, it's knocking on the door. So everybody's getting ready. It's a lot of chatter in the industry. People are doing things, people are moving. We got tax courses going, tax classes, mentorship going, and it's all good. So one of the first questions I got for Tax Talk, Tax Trivia Tuesdays is look, are you getting ready? If you are a tax professional, are you out there getting ready? Like, what are you doing to get ready? You can put it in the comments. What are you doing right now to get ready? Are you taking any type of continuing education courses? Are you learning the new tax laws and updates for the upcoming season? Are you getting your marketing together? Are you getting enrolled in some classes or are you teaching classes? What are you doing for the upcoming season? Because it's going to be here before we know it. And I mean, tax season is like the tax professionals' Christmas time. So it's just an exciting time and just loving it and very thankful to be in this industry. So, all right, we're doing this new thing, Tax Trivia Tuesday. And on every Tuesday, we're gonna get on here and do some sort of tax trivia, ask some questions, generate some excitement, and get individuals that want to know some stuff. You're gonna learn some stuff, so you might as well get on here. If you already know a lot of things, your input could help others. So it's just a community thing. It ain't a certain team type of thing. It's a community thing, and everybody is invited to enjoy and check it out. So we're gonna dive right in. So since this is the first one, I mean, we went through a plethora of questions. It's like, dang, what do we ask? You know what I'm saying? What are we gonna ask, and what type of response are we looking for? So we're gonna just start with basic stuff, just basic stuff. And as it goes along, it's gonna get more and more interesting. And it's just gonna be fun, just fun. So, join us every Tuesday for Tax Trivia Live. All right. So of course, we ain't got Steve Harvey. He ain't showing up today to do anything. So I will be your host, Henley, with Unwrap Success. And I will be your host. I will be inviting other co-hosts, and there'll be other people on live with us during the event. And again, you all are welcome out there to join in, chime in. And if you got a question or something that you'd like to see, definitely like put it in the comments, or not put it in the comments. You'll have to inbox it to like our Facebook group or our Facebook page. Inbox it to me at Unwrap Success or Unwrap Success Tax Solutions, and I'll ask you a question on there to see if anybody gets it. So, all right. This one here is a simple question, and it's kind of comical at the same time. It's a simple question. So, what is the easiest tax form to file? What's the easiest tax form to file? It's going to be the 1040 EZ. The 1040 EZ is going to be the easiest form to file. All right. So that's question number one of Tax Trivia Tuesday. Today we're gonna do it between 10 to 15 questions. And that was it. That was number one. All right. One of the next questions is this. We get this during tax season from people that earn in different areas. All right. If there's any CPAs, accountants, or EAs, or just tax pros that's been out there for a while, they may chime in on this question. So, okay, yeah. Carla Cunningham, yeah, you said the 1040. Well, yeah, it is a 1040. It's a 1040 EZ. It's 1040 EZ. That's what. And hey, everybody too that's chiming in and joining in, we do have gifts and prizes that we will be giving away for participation, showing up, and just getting the answers correct and enjoying and having a good time with us. So we got some gifts and stuff. We'll show y'all what they are at another time. Today we're probably just gonna do we'll do cash out drops. We'll do cash out drops today, and for our next events and things like that, we'll have all sorts of trips or things to give away. Things to give away. That's what I'm gonna say. I let one slip out. All right. What is the tax form that you use for seniors? The elderly. Is there what tax form do you use for seniors? Does anybody know that out there? There we go. Our connectivity was off for a minute. Our connectivity was off. All right. So the next question was, what tax form do you use for seniors? All right. The tax form that you use for seniors are, I'm gonna give everybody just a couple more seconds. And guess what? Look, even if you've never been in the tax industry, anybody can be smart at this game, because guess what? It's Google out there. Everybody can Google stuff. It's like you get a cheat. You're out there in internet land. It's like boom, you can use the internet. So the form that you would use for seniors would be the okay. We got an enroll agent here. Miss Morris said the 1040 SR. That is correct, Miss Morris. That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. Miss Jenkins also said the 1040 SR. That's correct. That's correct. All right, now we get some participation going. We're gonna start giving some prizes here real soon, y'all. We're gonna get some prizes out, and we're gonna keep it rolling. And we're gonna make this thing more interactive. All right. What is the schedule? What is the schedule SE tax form used for? What is it for? What is it for? The next person that gets this, the first person that gets this, $25 cash out, cash drop. Ms. Scott said rental form SE. Form SE is actually used to calculate self-employment taxes. Self-employment taxes, form SE. That's the form that you use that for. Schedule SE. It's the one self-employed people hate the most. All right, now this is an easy one. This right here is an easy one. It's easy if you done tax before. All right. What form do you use to report? Oh, and that last one, I said I would do the $25 Cash App drop, and Miss Morris got it, which is she got it. She's an EA, so she has to get it. She literally has to get stuff like this. So you can either drop your Cash App in the comments, or we'll inbox you after the telecast and get that information and get that to you. She said, yeah, she has to get it right. She's got to get it right. All right. What is the form? What's the form that's used to report income or loss from your business? What form is that? To report income or loss? This is some people's favorite form here. This is some people's favorite form. This is where your tax customer can be whatever they want to be in some cases. What is the form used to uh to report your client's income or loss? What's the form used to report income or loss? Wait a couple more minutes. Somebody got it already. Somebody got it. This time, Miss Scott got it. She came in just right before Miss Morris. So congratulations, Miss Scott. You got this one also. That's great. That's great. It is the Schedule C. The Schedule C is the form utilized to report your clients' income or loss from their business. And that's why you can be whatever. Well, you're not supposed to be whatever you want to be, but some people say, hey, you can be what you want to be. What did you do? Well, I'll tell you what you did, and then we'll put it. That's just tax humor, y'all. Tax humor. All right. Okay. Okay. Now this one here. Oh, and Miss Scott, you get to drop your Cash App on that one too. You get to drop your Cash App. You can do it now, or we can do it after the trivia. All right. Now, I'm gonna do a joke. I'm gonna do a joke. I said we would bring some humor in, and so I'm gonna do a joke. There's a site that has like taxation and accounting jokes, and I thought this one was just kind of funny a little bit. So I'm gonna ask it. I'm gonna ask it. Now I'm not expecting anybody to get it. Somebody might get it, but I'm not expecting anybody. Like it's not a requirement because it's a joke. It's like, okay, so Tax Trivia Tuesdays, y'all. Tax Trivia Tuesdays brought to you by Unwrap Success, the company that's continuing to unwrap your success. And y'all that's out there that know me, y'all know that I don't go live a lot. I don't, but I'm doing it for y'all. Doing it for y'all. So y'all like to see me online. Say I need to get active. I'm active today. All right. Where do homeless accountants live? Where do homeless accountants live? This is just a joke. Let y'all think about that for a second. A homeless accountant, where would he live or she live? Nobody know the answer? Okay, cool. Homeless and a homeless accountant would definitely live. Oh, how did Miss Morris got it. In a tax shelter. That's where a homeless accountant would live. In a tax shelter, which you probably know this site. But yeah, a homeless accountant would definitely live and definitely at the office too, for sure that. Well, yeah, if he homeless, he probably got an office. Miss Morris say she funny. I am too. I thought it was funny too. I thought it was funny. I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was funny. So, um, so yeah, I thought it was funny. Okay, we're gonna do a couple more of these. And then if anybody else has anything that they'd like to just post in the comments or just post, then I'll ask it or we'll talk about it. Like I said, tax season is upon us. And even though we all are part of many different teams and things like that, it's always a powerful thing that, that we all come together as one because iron sharpens iron. And there's always something that somebody in our industry knows that the next person may not know. You got entry level people, you got people that are just beginning, you got pros out here, and we all need to collaborate sometimes and put our heads together because it's this industry. It's a huge industry. It's $1 billion industry, a multi-billion dollar industry, and it's like there's enough for everybody. So we should be collaborating, we should be talking, we should be laughing with each other because there's no such thing as competition. What God has for you is for you, so nobody can take that or steal your shine. So we all got to get together and collaborate, and that's what I liked about going to the conference that I went to. It was a beautiful thing. It was a lot of us coming from different, I mean, cities for one, different tax businesses, different backgrounds, everything. I mean, I mean, it was a mixed environment. It was really nice. And we all shared and collaborated our thoughts and we enjoyed and had a great time. So I'm looking forward to next year, like really going on the road a lot more, flying a lot of places, doing a lot of stuff, like being really active in the tax community and just doing things that with us as a whole that are in this industry. And you're right, this is fun. And this is some of the stuff that we at the office do. We do stuff like this at the office, or like when we are creating and molding and building companies, whether it's a new company, whether it's somebody that's been in the business and they want to know how to expand. We do fun stuff. We show them like, hey, the stress thing is gone. We don't do stress. So we analyze what our goals are. Like, what is your goal? That's what my first question. What is your goal? What is that you want to do? And then once we realize that, then we're just playing towards how we can reach and achieve that goal. Because without the goal, I mean, you got nothing to aim at. You're just doing it for nothing. It has no purpose or meaning in your life. So that's what we love to do. And that's how we unwrap the success of others. You want to ask the next question, man? I'm gonna let you do it, though. You want to ask the next question? Okay. All right, cool. All right. Hey, we've been having a ball. We're having a ball. I know. I know. I know you closing a lot of deals and doing all we've been having a ball in here. So yeah. All right. What are some of the top deductions you can claim for the 2022 tax season? What's some of the top deductions? We had COVID come in here and wreak havoc on like the way of life. So different things that were are in different places now. You might have had where everything was like you literally go to a store. Now it's like sometimes everything, it comes to you, or you might have worked at a place, but now a lot of people are working at home. What are going to be some of the top deductions that you'll be able to claim for the 2022 tax season? Google must not be working fast enough out there. I see one. I see one coming in. I see one coming in. Okay, that's definitely gonna be one. All right. According to the IRS, all right, this is definitely one. This right here is gonna be a big. This right here is gonna be real big mileage. Miss Scott said mileage, and that is true. Mileage is going to be really, really huge next year. Why? Because so many things are mobile now, and I mean, like stuff like in certain places, things like office rents are like a thing of the past. I mean, you got literally whole buildings just sitting there because so many people or so many companies have outsourced their workers to work from home, and so mileage is going to be big because just the commutes back and forth to do things, but also car expenses, fuel costs, maintenance, and education expenses. So many people are learning so many new things and trades. It's like if you're sitting at home and you're working, a lot of times people are like, okay, well, if I'm sitting at home and I'm working, they're learning independence, and so they're learning trades. So according to the IRS, it's going to be you know educational expenses and things like that. I would also say internet, Wi-Fi. Everybody's got to have high-speed internet because if you're working from home, you're doing all these remote, whatever you're doing, jobs, businesses, whatever. Is you definitely are using a lot of internet. Definitely using a lot of internet. So we got so many questions that we could ask, and this is our first one. I said I wouldn't hold you all too long. We want to keep it fun. We want to keep it brief. We want to keep it knowledge based and educational, not wear anybody out. I'm going to do one more. We'll do a joke. We'll do a joke. All right. Might do two jokes. What do you call an accountant that doesn't have his spreadsheet? What do you call an accountant without a spreadsheet? I kind of thought of this answer before I even saw the answer. I'm like, what would you call an accountant without a spreadsheet? It could only be one thing. What is that? Lost. Accountant without a spreadsheet is lost. Yeah, lost. That's it. You are absolutely right. An account without a spreadsheet, I mean, what can he do? Last question. Let me see. Let me see. All right. All right. Now, all right, this relates to all of y'all out there in the industry because all of y'all, all of us in its entirety, we're beautiful. We're beautiful people. We bring a lot of joy to people, getting them those refunds. And we bring a lot of unjoy to certain people because they ain't getting one. And it ain't that they ain't getting one, it's because they're gonna owe, you can only do what you could do. Certain and sometimes in certain points in life when you reach certain levels, you gonna pay. It's just all too. It ain't no you're just gonna pay. All right. I would know. All right. Why are most tax professionals so good looking? Why are most tax professionals so good looking? Last and final question for Tax Trivia Tuesday. Let that marinate, y'all. Let that marinate. Let it marinate. Wow. Why are tax professionals so good looking? What you think the answer is?
They got a pocket full of money.
Definitely because they got a pocket full of money. Well, some it don't last what till July maybe, because they don't have good tax planning strategies.
That is definitely true.
You gotta have a good tax planning strategy.
Yeah.
You can't, you gotta know what to, how to invest, make that money, make money, and those things. All right. Them high rates they charge. Better know it. Not us though. Not us. Not us. Not us. Not everybody. But yeah, definitely that. Definitely that. But
who said that? I can expound on that.
Yeah. But most tax professionals are so good looking because we have great figures. You have great figures. Yeah, great figures. Yeah, great figures. Yeah. That's what's up. That's the key to it, Miss Ingram. Offering multiple services to stay busy all year long. And that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Just, doing those things right there to keep it going, and keep that income climbing continually and continually, continually. So that there will conclude our very first, nowhere near the last, Tax Trivia Tuesday. We are so glad that you all joined us. We had a ball. We hope you had a ball. And invite others, because we're going to have questions every Tuesday. We're going to do more giveaways and just empower our tax professional community and those that are in the community, want to be in the community, and those that need good tax services to go to. Because as they see you all on here, of course, they know that this is somebody that they may want to look into. So it's no negativity over here. We're for everybody. So we appreciate you all checking us out. We hope that you all have a wonderful and blessed evening. And until we meet again, thank you. Henley with Unwrap Success, signing out.